Take a ride in the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find navigation system, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.